So we did a video on how to make banana wine, and a lot of people went nuts, thinking it's just a weird thing.
They went bananas.
That's good. This is not the same banana wine from that video. This is my original banana wine that I made a while ago. And it's still, as in not carbonated. This one was bottled on March 30th, 2019. So it's a year in the bottle. 13 months, pretty much. It was started on December 4th, 2018. So that just shows you 4 months till bottling. There's no rush. This is a solid 12.5% ABV. Got a little bit of sediment in the bottom because I was a little sloppy about it, I'll admit. And pouring some into a glass here. Not too much, because it's just a tasting. We do more than one video a day, folks. Alright. Initial assessment of the color. This is crystal clear. Absolutely clear. I see a nice, like, golden brownish color. Now, if I recall correctly, this is made with brown sugar and bananas, so there's your color. Give this a little swirl, and I'm going to sniff it. Ooh, it smells like Bananas Foster. That is the easiest way to describe it. Okay, it smells like Bananas Foster. That is my assessment. Derek has actually tasted this before and didn't like it. It was a while ago. When this was green, it was not very pleasant. It was astringent. It was difficult. Now, it smells like dessert. I'm sorry. That really smells like dessert.
I can get what Brian's saying since he said it and then I smelled it, but if he hadn't said that and I smelled it, I would have been thoroughly confused as to trying to put proper verbiage as to what I was experiencing.
It actually smells like if you took a banana, put it in a pan, it started to caramelize, and you poured honey over it with a little bit of like a rum or
Now
rum.
I'm hungry.
That's what this smells like, which is basically Bananas Foster. I mean, it's essentially that. Yeah, I gotta taste this.
I hope it tastes like Bananas Foster. He's not gonna say anything.
Nope, I'm not gonna say anything. It totally tastes like Bananas Foster. It totally does, doesn't it? That is probably one of the best tasting wines I have ever made, I think. I just love it. I think it's awesome. I love bananas. I love bananas and brown sugar.
It tastes like a banana liqueur.
It really does. I mean, oh my God, guys. It's got this thick, viscous mouthfeel. It's on the sweet side, I will admit. I think this ended at like a 10:30. So it's sweet, but man, the flavors, it really is. If you just take a sip and go, Bananas Foster, you will go, oh my God, I'm drinking Bananas Foster. That's exactly what this tastes like. I'm very excited about this.
Now,
this is warm. This is at room temperature. We didn't even chill this.
I labeled this as a banana liqueur, and if you drink a bunch of liqueurs, they're normally, well, I don't even know if that's the right term, but in my mind, I like them as a mixer, an additive, a flavorant, if you will.
This is good on its own.
For me, I would want to mix this with something else.
Like what?
I have rum on the brain now because of the whole Bananas Foster.
It's got a rum flavor already, though.
And we've recently watched, again, the Pirates of the Caribbean, so
if you've ever had,
why is there no rum?
Actually, if you've ever had Tortuga brand
Oh.
rums, they make a banana rum. It tastes like crap. This is so much better.
Yes, but their pineapple is
the pineapple's awesome.
best thing ever.
But we're talking about banana wine.
Okay, right, sorry. I got distracted by rum.
I'm pouring some more.
Some of you said rum. Oh, that was me.
Yeah. I said it has a rum-like flavor if you poured rum over bananas. I just think this is wonderful. Honestly, this is easily, if not the best wine I've made, it's in the top 5, like without a doubt. My sweet red, I like a lot. The fact that this one's so good to me is interesting because I don't like white wine. I like sweet white wine.
Well, this is definitely a dessert.
Oh yeah.
Wine type profile.
I mean, food pairings, bananas, maybe. I don't know.
I know I said
you can pour this
that
over
I would
bananas.
mix this but I really can't imagine eating something with it. I think this is an experience on its own.
You know what this would be great with?
Whether it's a mixed drink or not.
Vanilla ice cream.
Okay, that I could do.
It needs to have something simple.
Yes.
Because this is complex. There's a lot of flavors in this. I mean, I'm seriously getting like the brown sugar, raisins, the like very, very uber ripe banana, a little bit of honey, even though there's no honey in this. But I'm definitely getting like a clover or a wildflower honey in this, just a generic honey flavor.
And saying that is interesting to me because this is a banana wine. Now I want to make a banana mead.
We made one.
Where is it?
Right over there. Peanut butter banana mead.
Oh, the peanut butter banana mead.
Yeah,
How did I forget
we
that?
still have to rack
Somebody
that.
has commented about it. So yay! Go team!
But I'm the blonde. Did I mention we film a few of these in one day? Just saying.
Okay. Brian is joking.
Yeah, we're not.
For some reason, many of our audience members like to think that we are
Drunk all the time?
intoxicated all the time, and that's simply not the case.
The only time that we've ever recorded ourselves when we were drunk was
the drunken cooking.
The drunken cooking.
At the beginning, we were a little tipsy.
At the beginning,
By
we were
the
a little.
end,
And there was the second Whiskey Wars video. By the end, the last couple minutes, I was feeling it, but I wasn't like drunk. I mean, I was still able to download all the video and all that kind of stuff. So let's dispel that myth right now. We're just naturally goofy and silly.
Yes.
That's pretty much what it is.
What you see is what you get, regardless of whether there's alcohol in our system or not.
You should be having fun of what you're doing. Or you should be doing something else.
There's a T-shirt being made about that.
This is wonderful, though, guys. I believe the recipe that we did recently is actually an improvement on this.
Yeah.
This was my tester that I just threw stuff together.
Yep.
And I believe we actually refined the recipe and improved it. So, hey, should be really good, right? Oh, it's just so good. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.